Hi, I'm Genna.
I'm Shannon.
I'm Star.
We're talking today about what typically happens when someone comes to us in crisis, right? So they haven't done any planning, and we get this visit from a client who's saying, this event has happened, one family member has gone to the hospital with a serious medical event, and they've done absolutely nothing. How often do you see this, Star?
Way too many times. Just way too many times. And actually, it's sad. It's disheartening because I think people pretend that that isn't going to happen.
Mm-hmm.
I call it a cultural mythology, that somehow we're all going to just have no issues whatsoever. I always joke, if we could check the box that says I'm going to die at 95 in my sleep and I'll be 100% physically and mentally till that moment in time, would we all check the box?
Absolutely.
Yes.
And we
But
also...
That's not what happens.
Right? And we also say, I never want to go to a nursing home, and promise me, child, that you will not put me in a nursing home. And that child says, yes, I promise, Mom, I will always keep you at home. And that's really very challenging.
But we unfortunately see the situations when that ideal state has not existed. So when they come to us and we have a crisis at hand, we need to figure out what to do in the moment. So
yeah, and we can plan for that. And I would say that, some of the things that we do in our office is, first of all, we get an estate plan in place right away. We get a durable power of attorney, a healthcare surrogate, maybe a pay on death deed. We also engage our healthcare advocate, who you're going to hear from in another video, Laura Monday, who's our current elder care coordinator. She takes the reins and kind of makes sure that you're getting proper healthcare and they're getting proper advocacy. And then also, using the services of like a senior helper.
Yes. Yeah. So a lot of people don't even realize that there's an organization called the Aging Life Care Association, ALCA. And within ALCA, there are many different people with a lot of different talents, but their goal is to be a senior advocate. What is a senior advocate? That's someone who can help you navigate your the healthcare system, the senior living system, and also guide you if you haven't done the basics. The legal and medical documents that we were talking about, they're absolutely critical.
Yeah, and we're lucky that in our law firm, we actually have an elder care coordinator who takes on a lot of those roles, and they have the backing of an attorney to assist with that process. So we like the idea of using these healthcare advocates through the process of crisis, because they can get you in the best care with the best price.
However, we also want to help people before it gets to that crisis.
That's ideal.
Yes.
Right. So two things that can be done are, you can engage a law firm that does life care planning, and also Star has an exceptional amount of knowledge and has just published a book, and it talks about how to age successfully.
Yes, it's called Successfully Navigating Your Parents' Senior Years, but half the people buying the book are buying it and giving it to their children as a gift.
Right.
And then, of course, there's people who are in their 70s whose parents are still in their 90s.
Right.
I have tons of friends in that category.
Yes.
So people are living longer. That means that you have to have a plan.
Yeah.
Long before a crisis. That's what we want to get across. Don't wait for the crisis.
That's right.
Plan ahead.
Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.